How to switch back to personal account on Instagram. Hey everyone, in this guide we are going to teach you that from a creator or business account to turn it back into a personal account. This is super useful if you want more privacy or simpler account management. So let's get started. Open up Insta for that. And once we open up Insta, we can just go over and switch to a personal account, which is very easy and safe. So once we open up the app, we can go to our profile in the bottom right. And within our profile, look out for the menu option in the top right and access our settings and privacy from this section. Now from here, what we can do is we can scroll down and go to the section called for professionals. If you have a business or a creator account, you can directly find this option and tap on it, business tools and controls. After that, you will be taken to this space. Now, in order to switch to a personal account, you can head back, scroll down, look out for switch account type and tap on it. And there we'll be finding an option called switch to personal account. We can tap on that option and then just go over and confirm this pop-up right here. Tap on switch to personal account and wait for the changes to be made. And now your account is personal. You can just go over and wait for the changes to be applied. And then when you head back to your main page, you can refresh your account and you'll be finding the professional dashboard disappearing, which means if you were using a creator business account for analytics, your account has been switched back to a personal account and you will be losing all the access to insights. And Instagram may take a few minutes to update your settings. Ads or promotion link to your account will also be disabled, and that's it. But usually this is how you should be able to switch to personal account on Insta. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.